In this video, we are going to focus on how to integrate an Arabic keyboard into our lesson. First of all, let's go into My Content. Then, let's click on Create a New Smart Lesson. Now we are in EP Studio. We can name our lesson. We can name our slides. The information slide is a slide that contains, as it says, information or videos or images. It doesn't contain questions. The question slides will contain the exercises that we want students to complete and where students can practice their understanding of the new concepts and where us teacher can see on the other side the progress they make. The extended response is, as it says, the longer responses. For this training, we're not going to use the extended response, so I'm going to click on the wheel and remove this section. Let's name our lesson. You might notice that when you type, it will type in Arabic. So if you want an English title, we're going to work from a Word or a doc where I can copy and paste my instructions in English. Let's say this lesson will be farm animals. Our information slide will contain the instructions explaining to students how to use their keyboard. I'm going to name it How to Use the Arabic Keyboard and paste it on the top of information. Then click Add Slide and pick the slide you want. When we are in the slide, you can add to that slide text, image, video, audio, PDF, embed, click view, or YouTube. We are going to use the embed button and the text button, the instruction, and then what the keyboard looks like. To add text, you have to drag and drop the text into your slide. Then I have some text prepared here. Paste your text or type your text in. I also want to put a title. You can add a new text if you want it to be separate. Center it, make it bold. And like a Word document, you can color it and adjust the way you want it to be. The instructions will explain to students how to use the Arabic keyboard. The Arabic keyboard has many languages, so there's a little instruction on making sure it's in Arabic. Then the students can write their words. They will have to copy their word into the little box that we will put in the exercise slide to make sure that this data is saved and that the students can practice what they've just learned. So that's in our instruction slide here. We're going to save it, and then we are going to add the keyboard and a couple of words just for them to practice. Click on Add Slide. Then we're going to paste the word to practice. Drag your text, paste these words, center them if you want. Here are some words in Arabic to practice. Here we go. Now we've got the words and we're going to add the keyboard. I found that this keyboard here from this website is a keyboard that will not have ads, as the other keyboard I've found had ads in it. So this one is better suited for students, but you can embed the other one as well. I copy on this website. There is this feature for embedding, embed Arabic keyboard tool on your website, and you just copy that text. Then we're going to go back to our EP slide and find the embed button here and drag it underneath our text. In this box, we're going to click paste and adjust the size of our keyboard. I'm going to put 800 and 700. So here we have our keyboard and the practice, the words that student can practice. Here we go. Preview slide. Here are some words in Arabic to practice, and they can practice here typing the and it will appear here. Save slide. Click back. So we have two information slide, and now we're going to jump into the exercises for them to practice, and then you can track that practice. Click on quiz and click on add question. Click on blank slide. Drag the text for our instruction, and I've prepared here this word. Tap the word below in Arabic on your keyboard, then copy and paste it in the box. Copy, paste. I like to center, but you can do what you prefer. Let's add the keyboard. Need to go back to copy this frame. Paste it here. Readjust the size. Done. So we have our instruction, the keyboard, and now underneath we are going to add our exercise. For the typing exercise, we want an exercise where students can type. So the multiple choice, it's just like as it says, it's multiple choice. There's no typing. However, fill in the gap has that. So I'm going to drag fill in the gaps underneath, and make sure you select text box, because that's going to be where the students will type. Write my text, paste your Arabic word into the box. And then we need to put the Arabic word there for the software to know that this is the correct answer. So I select the dajaj and paste it here. Then I'm going to add it here so the software knows that this is the word that students need to type. Done. I need to center it. I'm going to select that and center it. Done. So this is our instruction here, or probably into this box. And if you want, you can put it below. That might be easier. Into the box below. Here we go. So that if you click done, paste, it's pretty clear for them to paste that word here, but we also have it in this instruction. So preview question, that's what the students will see. We'll see type the word chicken. They're gonna type it here, dajaj. Then they can either copy it from this by clicking on the rectangle, or they can copy it from the screen and then paste it into the box. Check answer correct. Now, instead of creating a slide one by one, there's a quick way of making a lot of these slides. So basically duplicating them. So I'm going to click on the slide here, and I'm going to click on copy question, because that will save you a lot of time. You don't want to go back and forth. Copy question. Of course, we want to change the question. So let's write the word cow, and I'm going to change chicken with cow, change the color, and then we need to change this one as well. So here, instead of dajaj, I'm going to change it with bakara. Here we go. And then delete this word. You just remove it and paste your word bakara, highlight it, add it to the collection here. And there we have bakara. So we can just practice by using the preview question and find the B, ba, ka. Here we go. Copy. Perfect. It works. Done. save question, back. And of course, we need to rename the quizzes. Maybe we can put for this one, question 1, question 2, question 3. So it's clearer. Question 1, and this one will be question 2. And that's the title here. I'm going to put questions. Save. Let's see how it looks like on a student view. I'm going to double click here. Click on the 3 little dots, view as a student. So students will get the lesson here, start. They will have the instruction on how to use the keyboard. Then they can practice how to write without questions. And then here we start really writing dégage. They can copy the word, paste it here in the box, and then correct. Cow, ba, ka, ra, and copy, paste it in the word, submit. So here we go. This is how you can integrate a keyboard into your lesson and a little bit of lesson editing. I hope this is helpful, and let me know how you go. If you do it, I'd like to see your work. Please send it to me, or if you have any question, we can have it one-on-one. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.